Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It's Sunday the 30th of June and it's 9:10 in the morning here in sunny South Yorkshire. The hedge will be cut this probably Thursday, this upcoming Thursday. I like to leave it till there's 5 or 6, 7 inches of new growth on there. You get the best value for money then. It seems to last the longest, getting it cut with that size. Down here, I don't know if you just see these beautiful maroon hollyhocks, absolutely gorgeous. Then if we take a quick gander, so you can just see those there, beautiful super tall sunflowers, starting to look really, really nice. We come down here, we have the ballerina fuchsias. They do look like ballerinas as well. Amazing. Hanging back, it's looking nice. Down here we have a quick look from here. As you can see, we've not had any rain, decent rain for over a week now, so the grass is looking a bit worse for wear, but it'll come back as soon as we get a nice bit of moisture, a nice bit of rain. Here we have my perennial geranium. I forget the name of this, I've got it written down somewhere, but it's absolutely gorgeous. Look at the beautiful pink flowers on those. Best thing about these perennials is dig them up every few years, divide them, you get more plants for free, which I absolutely love. One of the last foxgloves here, digitalis. Be careful when you're touching these because they are poisonous, so make sure you wear gloves. Do as I say, not as I do. Here we have some lilies. These are scented. These are the Gigantine range, which is absolutely beautiful. Here we have some self-seeded hollyhocks. Don't know what colour these are going to be, but hopefully something really nice. You can see they're being sprayed for rust. Down there we have some white phlox, which is scented, which is great. Down here, these beautiful hostas, which the slugs and snails absolutely love. And if you just pull back a little bit, we have some daylilies here. Absolutely love these, but last few years they have been suffering from like a midge type little maggot that gets into the flowers. So before they open, they tend to just drop off and die. So you see any of those on your plants, pick them off and put them in the bin. Don't even bother putting them in the compost. Just get rid. If you get any ones that are not opening and just dropping off, make sure you pick them up. I think this is probably damaged inside. Looks like it. No, actually, I just wasted that one. Can't see any damage at all in there. Oh, well, never mind. My first white phlox of the season, which is, wow, the scent on these, I can't recommend these enough. If you've got a garden, don't take up much room. They grow probably 2.5 foot high, and the smell is absolutely divine. So we'll get plenty of flowers off those. Here we have down here, I love these self-seeded lupins. You never know what you're going to get, but really do enjoy having those in the garden. Some more self-seeded hollyhocks here. And then we're going to have a quick whiz round. Some more phlox. Here we have Lucifer, just starting to flower, which is amazing. So a quick whiz around the garden here. Down here, this is another daylily. This is a golden something, but it is really golden, that. So hopefully that's going to flower this year. Another self-seeded lupin there. A weed here. Needs pulling out. Got that. Put that on one side. Then up here, my peonies finally finished and gone over. So it's still got a nice scent about them. These are some Japanese anemones, which are amazing flowers. Absolutely love those. Some more lilies here, which are going to be absolutely great. There's all the lily beetle damage, but they have been sprayed once. A nice hosta there. Here we have my dwarf delphinium grown from seed. Come along here, nice hosta. Another peony there. Got my ivy growing up the tree, which I absolutely love. Then down here we should have, here we have it, and the weed. There should be a clematis growing up there somewhere. Can't seem to find it. Ah, there it is. There it is growing through there. So yeah, beautiful hollyhock here. This needs spraying again for rust. But an amazing colour there. We come down here. Look, this is what I'm on about with the daylilies. That's how they should look. This is when they've got the infection. So that will be put in my pocket and that will go in the bin. Here we have, this is my oriental poppy that's just gone over. So what you need to do then is cut it straight off at ground level, and you should, with any luck, get a second flowering out of that. Here we have 3 or 4 self-seeded hollyhocks with an amazing pink on these. You can just see that. Absolutely divine. If we come down here, we have a bit of bare soil there, which I'm going to get some dahlias in, some cosmos. Forgot them for a second. We come round here. This is another peony that's just gone over now. And we come down here. This is what they look like. This is a bleeding heart dicentra. Don't worry when they start looking like this. Just means they're going to die back to ground level and get ready to come back next spring. Amazing, amazing, amazing colours. This is one of my favourite delphiniums. Here we have a lupin that's setting seed. You need to wait while these turn black, and then those will be ready for picking. And here we have Lucifer, which is absolute crocosmia. As you can see, it's probably 4.5, 5 foot high. Those I need to get some canes in those and tie those back. We come down here, we have beautiful tall sunflower in this pot here. And this is one of Thompson and More unplugged plants. But lovely, lovely lemony yellow golden colour. And in here we also have a cosmos, a foxglove, and I think there is a begonia on the other side. Just want to show you the pot, the hanging baskets. These are just amazing, aren't they? Absolutely divine, those. You can't even see any of the hanging basket now and what it's potted on in. I have this one up here, beautiful pink and purple. And then we have the midnight sky here with the golden one. And then over here we have the white and the pink at the top, and the gold and the midnight sky at the bottom. So we should just come back here, just show you these cosmos that are flowering really, really nicely. They've grown amazingly together on in those little pots. Down here we have some plants ready for potting on. Some begonias, some 10-week stalks. So yeah, all those need potting on. And if we come here, we have these amazing sunflowers. These are 6 foot tall now, and they're just growing taller every day. That one, absolutely amazing. Some of these have got a single flower head on. Some of these have got several flower heads on. We come down to the bottom here, we have petunias planted in all the bottom ones here, the sunflowers. And the pot at the front has got 3 sunflowers in, 4 begonias, and 3 cosmos. As you can see, everything's growing really, really healthily. Then we have clustered cream jasmine, which smells absolutely wow. That is knockout, that. And then if you just want to have a look from here, like I said, a couple of hours of rain into this garden, the world of good. Can't wait till the hedge gets cut next week. So I phoned my man up to come and do it. Down here we have Agapanthus. It's called Queen Mum, that one, and that one, and that one's coming back. And then we have some ones grown from seed, which are at the back there. If we come round here, these are all being grown from seed. So I'm really looking forward to seeing what flowers we get on those. And that's about it. If you've got any questions about anything running my garden or greenhouse, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like the videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.